In today's episode, we continue on in our series that we're calling our latitude adjustment. This week finds us once more on the exotic island of Curacao. Why are we in Curacao? Well, we run away from winter weather by fleeing to the Caribbean. We'll be hiking and paddling and diving as many of the islands as we can. A change in latitude and attitude sounds like just what we need.
As in the last episode, we'll be diving today with a great local dive operator. They're called the Dive Bus, and they want to take us to a dive site called the Car Pile. This map shows you about where it is on the island. So, what's the Car Pile? Well, about 50 years ago, local divers petitioned the government asking it to put some things underwater that would be interesting to look at. After consideration, Curacao began seeing this as an opportunity, so they loaded up an old barge with unsightly junk that had been cluttering up the island. Derelict cars, iron beams, abandoned machinery. Then they dumped that rusty junk into the sea, and for good measure, they sank the old barge right next to it. It worked out great for everyone. It made the citizens happy to see all that junk disappear, the fish were happy to get a new habitat, and the local diving club got something new to look at. Well, my buddy Brian and I are off to check on this debris field. What does it look like these days? But first, let's meet a local resident and see how she's doing. This is a gravid stingray who is in the last stages of a pregnancy. I suspect that the population of stingrays on this reef will soon be increasing significantly. Well, the famous car pile seems to be becoming more reef and less debris. Those shapes and those colors have turned it into something of an art exhibit these days. I think I'll come back in a few years and see what it looks like then.
So, what's up next? In the next episode, we'll move over to the island right next door. Catch our next video when we visit the island of Aruba. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll join you soon for more videos of the two of us exploring the wonderful world that is around us. We'll see you next time from Aruba, when our latitudes and attitudes get some needed adjusting.